Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs, and we are back from our short break and delighted to be bringing you, as promised, 4 exciting new ingredients for you to mix with on the Dripper Labs platform. First up, we have the Apricot, which is a slightly punchier, tangier alternative to the soft sweet peach that we have on the platform, and the perfect ingredient to be experimenting with as we come into summer. Next up, we have the Butterscotch, which is a silky smooth brown sugar caramel and the classic Werther's original flavour. Another one for the dessert lovers will be our new cereal. It's a really lovely, deep, nutty, oaty ingredient that's the perfect addition to any of your existing desserts to add a little extra bite or crunch. And last but not least is the energy flavour, requested by many of you. We're really happy with this one, and I think it is one of the most versatile ingredients that we've added in a long time. It will work with any combination of fruits that you can think of for that classic Moorish energy drink twang. So all of these are live on the platform right now, so you can go and check them out, start creating with them, and in the next 24 hours we will add some new house flavours that show you how to use these in example recipes. But if you can't wait for that, they're there right now, and go and check them out.